Well, thank you very much. Today we're meeting with the pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies, the biggest in the world, most prestigious, the ones that get down to the bottom line very quickly, to discuss how the federal government can accelerate the development of vaccines and therapeutic treatments for the coronavirus.
We use messenger RNA technology, optimized messenger RNA.
As the President said many times, we're all in this together. And today's meeting is a reflection of the fact that this President understands that industry is a part of the one team in America that's going to address the coronavirus in this country. And I'm grateful for these leaders of the nation's top pharmaceutical companies to come in to speak to us about the development of vaccines, but also the development of therapeutic medications that can be available in the short term. And we're grateful for your participation. The President will also be traveling tomorrow to the National Institute of Health, CDC, before the week is out. And we will be meeting with leaders of the airline industry. We'll be meeting with leaders of the cruise line industry. And we welcome the partnership.
We're here working with the pharmaceutical company leaders on three key issues. How do we speed vaccines? How do we speed therapeutics? And what are the supply chain challenges that we may be facing for pharmaceutical products here in the United States? With regard to therapeutics and vaccines, we want to know how we can not get in their way, but rather speed that development process along. I want to make sure that they all know that we've got Commissioner Hahn here from the FDA, and this is all in the context of emergency powers, emergency use authorizations, and the President will be asking you, how can we make it faster? How can we make anything faster? How can we challenge some of those normal pharma timelines that can be a little slow and bureaucratic? What can we do to speed that along given the nature of this emergency and be a good partner with you in making that happen, especially once we get the emergency supplemental passed by Congress in the next week or so?
And how long would that take?
The phase 2 will take a few months before we can go into phase 3.
Oh, so you're talking within a
year, like I've been telling you.
yeah. Well,
A year to
but
year.
Letty is talking about 2 months, right?
What was exciting to hear around the table is you have a potential for a bridge between the therapeutics and monoclonals while we work on the vaccines. And I think that's the most promising piece for the American people, to know that there's technology that can be used as an immediate bridge, and then as we work on the vaccines.
But people should not be panicked. They shouldn't be. I know they may feel that. They may feel a sense of unease. They feel the uncertainty. And we're trying to reveal all information we have. But there are steps people can take like that, just good everyday preparedness. Nothing different today than I would have advised 6 months ago to people.
Mr. President, are you considering tightening any of the travel regulations that you sent?
Yes, we are to certain countries where they have more of a breakout. We are. You know what those countries are, I don't have to say, but we are doing that. And we've already done it, as you know, with 3 countries in addition to China. So we will be doing that, yes. They heard what happened at this meeting.